part 23. Let's learn a sentence in English every day. Listen, write, read, and repeat. Right, right.
Hello children, hello everyone. I am ToTo with you again. Are you ready? Let's start. I, you, you. Right, right, right. Right. I, right. I, right. I, right. I, right. Pen, pen. It is a pen, pen. I write. I write. Right. I write. Can you write? Can you write? I write. Do you write? I write.
See you soon. Next lessons.